Alright, we're going to walk through the process of setting up an A/B line engaging auto steer, an 8650 Massey using factory auto steer. First thing we need to do is we need to make sure GPS and all the steering components are powered on. We'll need these three lights green. And the next thing we need to do, we're going to go over here, push down onto the steering button. Okay, blah blah blah. Then we're going to get a warning. Okay, we know last position was not saved. Okay, now we've got satellites, so we're ready to create a new line. To do that, we're going to click over here, a little picture of the map, and we're going to want to add a new line. Now, before we go any farther, one thing with these tractors, you have to have movement since you're starting. So in most cases that won't be a problem, but we're going to want to make sure we get a little bit of movement here so this doesn't air out. So don't do this sitting still without moving the tractor, since everything's been powered on. Okay, hopefully that's enough movement. So alright, so this here's only if you want to name the line. We're not going to do that for this purpose. We're going to check mark. The line we're going to do is we're going to want an A/B line. So we're going to use this button and select the A/B line. Now we've got the A/B line selected. We're ready to set our A point. To set our A point, we're going to press the button right here. Now our A point is set, and you have to drive a minimum of 33 feet before it will let you set the B point. Alright, we've got enough feet. We're going to go ahead and use that. So we'll set B. And now we have a line ready. And our little steering wheel turned white, which means we are ready for steering. So you can engage auto steer one of two ways. On this tractor, we can hit auto right here. Look, that's got us. We are getting on line. And we are steering. And this is just like any other tractor. To disengage, we just turn the steering wheel. And then on this one, I have set up our little programmable buttons right here. The top one is going to be also engage auto steer. So when we have a white steering wheel, so when we're not turning, we will just press this top button here and it will also re-engage the line. And that is setting up an A/B line and engaging auto steer.